Hey guys, Pix here. So today we're going to be doing a Elven makeup tutorial that you can hopefully use in some of your cosplays or to get some ideas. I love makeup, so we're just going to have a play around and create a look today, so hope you enjoy. First things first, I absolutely love to moisturise my face before I do makeup because I feel like it helps it stick, it just makes the makeup look more smooth. So I'm going to be using this, which I actually don't know what it is, but oh my god, focus please. I also have a naughty rabbit in the background, not him, he's okay. Mooney, get down from there. Thank you. Oops. And I also like to moisturise my lips. I'm going to be using Hanley lip treatment. It's got a red tint to it, but it doesn't really matter. Next, I'm just going to go in with some foundation. I have the Revolution foundation stick. Fast Base Stick Foundation. Yeah, there you go. And I've nearly run out. I'm having to scoop it out with other makeup products. Oh, this is just dire. Usually I use a beauty sponge to bounce that into my face, but honestly, I can't be bothered going away. So instead of a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to be using my foundation brush, which looks like this. And it needs a wash. I am gross. Do you see those demon eyes on that rabbit just then? Oh my god. You know what? I'm going in dry. It's kind of working. Next, I'm going with my concealer, which is a Sample Beauty Erase and Boost Base. Focus. Now, Chloe, who owns Sample Beauty, advises the best thing to do with this is scoop a bit out. I did have a scoop, I lost it, okay. Put it on the back of your hand, warm it up, and then it becomes much easier to manipulate on your face. And I've got fucking wig hair in my eye. Stop. Ugh. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge again and buff it out so it doesn't look so crazy. This wig hair is driving me mad. Cosplay life. Cosplay struggles. Next, it's a little bit of a blusher. For this look, I'm using the Sexy Mother Blusher from Silk and Glory. Like Chanel. It's focused enough, it's fine. Little circles on my face. I'm going to use blusher to buff it out. I shouldn't really go in so rough with this, but it takes ages otherwise to buff out the cream blusher. Ugh. Mooney! My wig is a mess, oh my god. Next, brows. So for brows, I'm going to be using the NYX Love Contours All Eye and Face Sculpting Palette. This right here. A rabbit's an asshole. It's impossible to open. Got it. For this look, I should probably use this shade right here. Obviously, do your brows however you're most comfortable, but for me, I think Elven brows would be really elongated, so. I need to do my brows, guys. It's absolutely disgraceful. They're so overgrown. Just gonna neaten that up a bit. I went too high here, so I'm just gonna neaten it up with some concealer. Better. So again, like I said, I'm going with a second primer, which is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Okay, so I'm going to first go in with my fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip into a neutral tone. This is what happens when you don't clean your brush, people. You've got to be kidding me. Well, I guess we're going like really dark black for this colour then. I mean, it kind of worked out. For this look, you really want to come really far out with your eyeshadow. Okay, so next I am going to go in with some more of that Erase and Boost base. I'm going to start cutting out a path here. This is to cut the crease. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to take a packing brush, stipple on that gold colour. Try a bit of that as well. I think I prefer that one. Just taking this again to buff out that there. And now, I'm going to take my Super Cat eyeliner from Soap and Glory. So, as you can see, I'm going from the upper lash line, following it to the bottom corner of that crease that we just cut, and then bringing that down below the lower lash line a little bit, before it then meets up around there. And I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to dip into like a dark greeny colour. And smoke out that bottom lash line with this. And I'm going to set that eyeliner again and take the inner corner here and bring it down and up. Again, to meet with that smoked out bit. Ah, I lost my brush. Going back in with that green. Just in the centre there. And I'm going to take a bit of green shimmer as well. I'm going to overlay it on that. There we go. That's a nicer colour. Right, so I'll be right back, guys, and I'm just going to do the second eye. Alright, so that's the other eye done. I'm not overly happy with the cut crease colours here, so I'm going to go in with, excuse my disgusting palette, but Honey from Urban Decay. It's a very old palette, so I don't even know if they sell this anymore, to be honest. But I'm going to take a detailing brush, which is what I used for the cut crease in the first place. I'm going to pick some colour up on that. The concealer that's still on the brush should hopefully make this more pigmented. So I'm just going to carefully, oh my god, paint that on. Kind of stippling it on. Next, I'm going to go in with a white eyeliner. This one's from Blink. I'm just going to line my lips in white. That is not showing up very well. Try this one. That is better. And then for the centre, I will be going in with my Marcia X Winky Lux Nude in Datero. And then I'm going to take a brush and blend it. Now we're going to take this again and we're going to do some Amidala-esque stuff. I wish I had a white liquid velour lipstick, it would make life so much easier. And then I'm going to take this down the chin. We should have done this earlier, but I forgot, I'll be honest. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. So back with the Love Contours All Palette by NYX. Go in the light shade because I am pasty. I'm going to start carving out those cheekbones. So I want to start getting some more angular shapes in here. Now while that's done, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. I live for this, and I am going to highlight in shade Lucky Clover. You can't really tell there, but it's like a greeny tone. This wig, oh my god. I should have put some wig tape on, but you live and you learn, don't you? So, and I'm losing an ear, but it's all good. We're nearly done here. I feel like elves would be really glowy, so I'm going to go really old. Finally, we're going to finish up with some mascara. So that's it, guys. Here's your completed Elven look with Bunny.